Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, we're gonna talk about what is permission control means on Android. Make it sure to watch until the end because I will also show you how to manage it step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the settings. Alright, so just scroll down and tap either privacy or apps and permission. The name can change depending on your phone. So inside the privacy or app section, find permission manager. Sometimes it's called app permission. So here you will see a list of permission like camera, microphone, location, contact, storage, and more. So tap on any one of these to see which app have permission. You can change it to allow or deny anytime. So what is permission control actually means? Permission control is basically your way to allow or block apps from accessing sensitive part of your phone like your location, camera, or contact. In simple way, it helps protect your privacy, battery, and security. So that's it. Now you know how to find and use permission control on your Android. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.